First, we want to look at the bobbin case. The thread's going to come through this slot, and then it's going to come out. It's going to go under the tensioner and come out here. Now, the thread needs to make a V at this slot. And this is for every single bobbin on every single machine. It needs to change direction at this slot. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bobbin. We want to make sure that it's spinning this way. And then we're going to drop it in. Put it through the slot, back to the tension. And then if you pull, you can see that the bobbin is going clockwise. And the thread is making a V at the slot. Okay, so once we do that, we want to thread the thread through this little hole on the arm. To install the bobbin case in the machine, we're going to pick up the bobbin. We're going to open this lever. With it all the way open, it's going to hold the bobbin in the bobbin case. And once that's installed, we're going to trim this to about 1.25 inches. Then close the door.